Alright, so let's go with the comment. Comment is useful whenever you read the text and you want to collaborate with someone and you want to add note about the part of the document. Any part, okay? So for example, you go and you come to this page, to page number 2, and you say, well, this should be something else. This text is not good. So you select it and you hit comment, and now it says comment from Jay McTierry in a few seconds. And then you can say, this text is not good written. So you type it there and you just finish it, okay? And then also you can reply, or the next one, the next person come up and they can resolve the text. And right now it's done. So it's good for collaboration, even offline. So you can give the file to the person and then the person can check it out and they can comment. Once they comment it, so later on they can really you can see the comment, you can see their comment, and then you can say, well, it resolve or reopen or reply, and then you can give file back, and you can do this online, which is really important if it was in OneDrive Cloud. So I hope you enjoyed it. So that's the comment, and it's very nice thing. And also you can do with the right click. For example, you come up at this part and you say, well, this text is not good. So you right click and you hit new comment. So you can new comment that. So there you go. It's very easy. You can do that. Let's go with the header and footer of your document. For my document right now has no header and has no footer. As you can see, there isn't anything to show up. I can do it using the header and footer, this part in here. I can go to here and I can select a particular thing that I wanted for document title and date, or like page numbers. Any page number, any header I wanted is available in here. And if there wasn't, so I go to get it from office.com, or I edit the current one and I remove the current one. For example, let's go with this because it's more beautiful and it says page 2. So I love this because it says page 1 and page 2 and it shows the graphic. So I added right now. And let's go with the footer. Now that was the another way to insert from here, but another way is to right click in here and go with footer. Once you go to footer, you will have header and footer menu, and then you go to footer. As well as you can go to the header as well, but let's go to the footer, and this time let's add some document title. For example, this. So this is the author. For example, this is the Microsoft Word Training Masterclass. Microsoft Word Master. Alright, Masterclass. So I already typed, and right now you can see this is the page and this is the footer, and I can edit it anytime. So that's about the header. Now these options are repetitive, so you know how to do with them, okay? It's very easy. Another is page number. We have page numbers as well in here, okay? It's the same as that. But before the page number, I want you to make sure that you really can get anything you want from these things, like built-in and preset, because they are a lot and you can get a lot from them. Let's go with the page number. Page number also has different template. It has top of page, bottom of the page, page emergence, current position. As you can see, it's very thing. But when these are the same templates as they were in here in footer and header. Well, the only option we have, the more option we have is format page number. So we can click in here, and it says number of format. So you can pick up number of format you want. Also, you can include chapter number, like heading 1, heading 2, and the separator should be what, and then it says example. It shows that for you. And we have also page numbering. We can start from the previous section, or we can start at a particular number. So that's also a very good setting. I will do a nice project with table of contents and headings, so don't worry. Once the time arrives, we're gonna do that. Okay. We are working also. This was the header and footer group. Now we're gonna go to another group. So in here we can edit date and time to the current header or footer. We can add it, and we can pick up language, or we can pick up Durian calendar type as well. We can add some document info like author, file name, file path, document title. We can go with document property as well. And if you want more, so you can click in here, and there is more coming up, so you can insert it. We have quick parts as well. I told you about this. Quick parts as well, and they are ready to use, like these things. Again, it has building block organizer where you can use to insert that. It has a lot of things, equation, footers, headers, all that is available for you in here. And then we have pictures, online pictures. Now this is the same. Okay, we added a project. We worked a project with this. In navigation, we can go to header. We can go to footer, previous, next. So it's only going next and previous. We have options, different first page. So the first page will have different. We will be different so much. For example, let's click. Right now, the first page doesn't have any header, any footer, so it's a different. Different odd and even pages. You can do that as well using these things. So odd and even pages will be different. Show document text. It only showed document text right now. Now there is no header layer for this page. All layers will be displayed. And yes, you can see that. And we will do a lot about the sections, so don't worry. We have our position, like header from top, footer from top, so you can just decide on that. Also, you can insert alignment tab, like left, right, left, or you can choose the leader as well. And finally, we could close it.